In this video, we'll show you how to use the Gantt chart view in Monday.com so you can better manage your projects and deadlines with this helpful tool. If you've been trying to understand how the Gantt chart works in Monday.com, stick around. This video will answer your questions in just a few minutes. First off, what is the Gantt chart view in Monday.com? It's a visual tool that allows you to plan, track, and manage your projects in one place. The Gantt chart lets you see all your tasks and their dependencies over time, helping you understand your project's timeline. You'll be able to spot bottlenecks, adjust schedules, and ensure that everything stays on track. But before you dive in, let's make sure you understand how to set it up. Next thing you want to do is open your Monday.com board and navigate to the View section at the top. From there, select Gantt chart from the list of available views. Now, all your tasks will be displayed on a timeline, making it easy to track their progress. The Gantt chart shows you a horizontal timeline with bars representing each task. The length of the bar indicates the duration of the task, and you can drag these bars to change deadlines or durations. You can even color code your tasks for better organization. Now, let's talk about dependencies. One of the most powerful features of the Gantt chart in Monday.com is the ability to link tasks to one another. If a task can't start until another one is completed, you can create a dependency. To do this, simply click on the task you want to create a dependency for, then drag the arrow to the task that should come before it. This feature helps avoid delays and ensures your project flows smoothly. You'll be alerted if any task dependencies are at risk of being delayed. The next thing to note is how to adjust your timeline. If you need to adjust the start or end date of a task, simply drag the taskbar left or right. This automatically updates the timeline for all dependent tasks, so your project stays aligned. You can zoom in or out of your Gantt chart to view the entire project timeline or focus on specific weeks or days. The fourth thing is managing resources within the Gantt chart. If you want to track team members and assign specific tasks to them, Monday.com makes this easy too. You can assign people to each task within the Gantt chart, and it'll display their workload right alongside the tasks. This feature is great for ensuring that no one is overloaded or underutilized, and you can quickly adjust assignments as needed. Now, here's where things get interesting. While Monday.com's Gantt chart view is great, it's not the only tool out there. Some of you may find Monday.com's interface a bit overwhelming or cluttered, especially when managing large projects. If you're looking for something a bit more streamlined or intuitive, I've got a great recommendation for you. Stay tuned, because we'll dive into that in just a second. Before we get to that, let's talk about customization. With Monday.com's Gantt chart, you can customize the view to fit your specific needs. Whether you're working on a simple project or a complex initiative, you can adjust what information is displayed, how it's presented, and even how colors are used. You're in control of your project's look and feel, which can make managing tasks much easier. Now, if you're not entirely sold on Monday.com for your Gantt chart needs, don't worry. We've got an exclusive offer for you. Through our link, you'll get an extended free trial to Monday.com, plus some incredible benefits available only to our viewers. But here's the thing. If you're looking for a tool that's better suited for tracking your project timeline without all the bells and whistles, we've also found some amazing alternatives that offer their own free trials and might be a better fit for your goals. So, stick around to the end for the best deals and an honest comparison of your options. In conclusion, Monday.com's Gantt chart view is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your project management. However, depending on your needs, there are other great options out there. Be sure to check out the exclusive offers in the link below for the best free trials available, and don't forget to explore the alternatives that might work even better for your specific project goals.